Today in the Eastern kitchen, I have an Aperol Spritz Slushie. It's going to be amazing. It's a perfect summer drink, adult drink, and guess what? The recipe is so easy to follow. You know I'm gonna walk you through everything. All of the ingredients and measurements will be in the description to follow. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more recipes from Eastern. Now, to keep things simple, I'm using a blender for this recipe. You don't need a slushie machine to make a slushie. Now, the amount of ingredients you use for this recipe, folks, will depend on how many people you plan to serve. Now, this is just a test run, but I'll have the ingredients and measurements in the description to follow. I'm gonna add club soda to the ice. Now, I love the sound ice makes when you pour some soda on top, just like that. Now, this is an Aperol Spritz Slushie, so of course I needed to grab some Aperol liqueur, and let me tell you something, Aperol Spritz is my go-to drink wherever I go. It's so light, it's amazing, and the liqueur is top-notch. Now, I'm adding my Aperol to my blender along with my other ingredients. Now, the amount of Aperol you use is totally up to you. Of course, as you can see, I definitely added a few shots in there. And of course, we need the prosecco, a good old pop, and guess what? I'm adding the prosecco to my blender with the other ingredients, and this is going to turn out amazing, but we're not done just yet. And if you're like me, go ahead and pour you a glass of bubbly to the side while you're making this recipe, but not too much. You need your concentration, folks. Don't blame me. Now, I need to add some fresh orange juice. Yes, fresh orange juice to go inside of my Aperol Spritz Slushie, just like that. And guess what? When I squeeze the fresh orange juice, I'm actually going to take the inside of the orange and I'm going to put that right into the blender just like that. Why not? We don't waste anything over here. And you can add some simple syrup to this if you want your Aperol Spritz Slushie to be a tad bit sweeter. Now it's time to blend everything up. That ice is tearing up that blender. Now guess what? I went ahead and opened the blender to see how everything combined, and look at that. Perfect. Look at that consistency. Now it's time to go ahead and pour the Aperol Spritz Slushie into a nice glass. And guess what? We got our oranges on the side, so we can probably garnish the glass with the orange. As you can see, I already poured me a glass, and look, the consistency is just how I like it. Now, if you want it to be more slushy, go ahead and add more ice. This is a perfect Aperol Spritz Slushie, so let's go ahead and give it a taste test. This Aperol Spritz Slushie was refreshing, sweet, and simple to make. Let me know in the comments what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next recipe video. And remember, drink responsibly, folks.